Meaning of grandma.
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 Grandma. Grandma is a term of endearment for a maternal or paternal grandmother, the mother of one's parent. It represents the familial bond and the love and respect that one has for their elderly relatives. Grandmothers are often seen as a source of wisdom, guidance, and comfort in times of need. They provide nurturing care, share stories and traditions, and pass down valuable life lessons to younger generations. The term grandma represents the unique and special relationship between a grandparent and grandchild, and the important role that grandparents play in families.